Hey, what's up? It's Kelly back with another video. So today I'm going to be unboxing another Ipsy packet. I made so many unboxing videos last year and did not post any of them. So I'm so happy that I was still able to post this one in January.
16 paranoia-filled days later.
So before we begin the unboxing, here is a little brief message. Ipsy is a month-to-month subscription service that will send you makeup, skincare, and hair care products curated to your personal want for a simple price, and the link will be in the description below. Now it's time. Our first product that we have is the Koa Life Vitamin C Brightening Cleanser. This product is vegan and cruelty-free. So let's see what it looks like. I really do like the box. This is so cute, honestly. It's so different, like very interesting. So this is like a foaming cleanser, so that should be cool. So this is how it looks. It smells really good. It does have a citrusy scent, which I guess is on brand for a vitamin C product. Love it. Our next product is the Bior Peach Kombucha Tea Purifying Clay Mask. I'm so excited. I love Bior. This product is vegan and cruelty free, and that's on Period. So here's the packaging. It's so cute. I love this little... There's also supposed to be something in here called Dermabiome 8HA, and it's supposed to absorb excess oil and reduce the appearance of pores, which is great. Let's see what it smells like. Oh, I love a good clay mask, honestly. Sometimes I sleep in them. I hear people say that dries your skin out, but I like it. It does have like kind of like a peach scent, but almost like baby lotion or something, so that's cool. Our next product is the Pearlies BB Glow Cheek and Lip. I'm so excited. I literally was just saying, like, what if I get another blush, you know, because that's why I didn't want to do my makeup, because now I can try this blush. And a lip tint. I love a good lip tint. I really do. I want to get a lip stain though, honestly. I kind of would like to start using a lip stain. So here is the product and the packaging. So cute. This product is not vegan, but it is cruelty free, so I'll take it. Let's smell it. There is no scent, but that's okay. That's cute. Okay. I like that it goes up and down as well, because I know the MAC lip glosses, that the ones that are my favorite, they don't go up and down. They only go up, and I hate that. Well, let's try on the lip first. Or maybe, oh. I don't like this. I don't like this on my lip. Let's try it on my face. Yeah, I don't think I'm gonna like this, honestly, but I'm just really not a fan of this color. It's a bit too light for my skin, sadly. But you know, if it was like a bit redder, then I definitely could do something with it. I do see a bit more color in person, but on camera, like it's not giving anything. I can show you a better version of the color, which would be this Tarte, which has a bit more of a warmer undertone, and it's a bit redder. And this was sent to me by Ipsy as well. So yeah, you see, it's just a bit too light for me, but it's almost there. When I apply this Tarte blush, you can see it on my skin immediately, and it's definitely deeper and redder. The other one was more pink, and this one comes off as red or coral. And that's the difference, like just 2 dots and you can see this like so much better. It's so much more pigmented. And I did like 2 to 3 swipes with the pink one. That's basically the difference. But I mean, overall, like it's a good color if this fits your skin. Like this just isn't the right tone for me. Our next product is the Context Lip Balm in Sweet Innocent. I've never heard of this brand before, so I'm interested to see this. I really don't wear lip balms anymore, but if it looks good, why not, you know? So let's see. Oh, this is a real lip balm, but I do like the packaging. I think it reminds me of the Hourglass contour stick I had. This is the color. I didn't expect it to be like this. I thought it was actually going to be like a clear lip balm. So we're going to see how this does with me. I remember when I was younger, I used to try to look for a lipstick this color because I was convinced it was going to be the perfect shade. And when I tried it, it wasn't. So, okay. Maybe with a little lip gloss. Let's try some lip gloss on top. We're just gonna put this on top. It really is clear. This is just to see like if a shine helps. This color looks great on camera, but in person, like it's kind of like the pink. They're kind of similar. Like this one is deeper, but it's still not matching my skin, and that's just like the broad spectrum of how like so many colors can and won't work with your skin. This is just not for me, sadly. I really do like this color, you know, it's like my teen dream lip balm, but it just has never worked with me. I feel like I look like I have ashy lips, you know. On camera, this color looks way better than it does in person. So yeah, that's just my issue, but it did feel really nice and there wasn't a smell. Our last product is the Wander in Neutral eyeshadow palette. This product is cruelty-free, so you know it's for me. I feel like they've definitely sent me eyeshadow from this brand before, but I can't remember if I liked it because sometimes, you know, the eyeshadows won't be as pigmented. Here is the outer packaging, very cute. It's really sleek and I like it. Feels like a little book, honestly. Here's the palette. Honestly, this is a cool palette, to be honest. It's just very neutral, like they said, in neutral. Blossom. That actually, like, this is way brighter than I thought it was gonna be. Put haze on top too. So yes, this is a finished look, honestly. I actually thought that Blossom wasn't going to be as pigmented on my eyelids, but it actually was. And so I did put some Smoke and Latte on the outer so that it could kind of blend more and my whole eye wouldn't be like covered with shimmer. So yeah, let me know what you think. Thank you so much for watching. Please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Deuces!